Customers love thick, juicy burgers, but preparing them from scratch can be a slow and costly ordeal. To speed up the process and ensure consistent portions, Garde offers a selection of hamburger presses. The HDHP press is available in quarter, half, and 3/4 pound models. These heavy-duty presses feature an anodized aluminum base for long-lasting use and stainless steel bowls for easy cleaning. They also include a designated holder for patty paper, which is removable to make the unit as compact as possible for storage. To use the press, place a sheet of patty paper in the bowl, add the meat, top it with another sheet of paper, and then press down on the lever. Pull up on the lever to release the patty. For more versatility, the smaller HP 1416 is the perfect option if you need to conserve counter space. 1 6-pound and 1/4 pound patty molds come standard with the HP 1416. The molds are color-coded to make them easy to distinguish. While the 1 6-pound mold is green, the 1/4 pound mold is silver. They both create 5-inch patties. Unlike the HDHP models, this press includes 5 plastic liners and is controlled with a handle that can be used to flip the patty out of the press once released. This eliminates the need to manually remove the patty. For perfectly sized burgers every time, a Garde Hamburger press is a must-have tool in your kitchen.